Well, as far as the tanker mafia allegation is concerned, the BJP continues to raise the issue, saying that there is a falsehood that has now been created of water scarcity in Delhi by the AAP Sarkar.
शराब और शराब के बाद पानी का भी घोटाला कर दिया, ये है असली आम आदमी पार्टी का चेहरा। और इसके चलते अधिकतम पानी बर्बाद हो जाता है और फिर पानी की शॉर्टेज करवाकर पानी कम सप्लाई करके दे दिल्ली की जनता को टैंकर माफिया को सशक्त किया जाता है, उनको संरक्षण दिया जाता है कि जो पानी हरियाणा से आ रहा है, अलग अलग जगहों से आ रहा है, वाटर टैंकर माफिया दिन दहाड़े आम आदमी पार्टी के नेताओं के संरक्षण में उस पानी को चुरा लेता है और फिर जो सबसे ज्यादा बोली लगाता है, हजारों हजार रुपए कुछ लीटर पानी के लिए, उसको वो पानी दिया जाता है और आम आदमी पार्टी के नेता पैसा कमाते हैं।
Sabyasachi is with us. Sabyasachi, this is what the BJP has been raising the issue, saying that there is a falsehood that has been created that there is water crisis in Delhi. The tanker mafia is being shielded by the AAP Sarkar.
Well, absolutely. See, the BJP has been levelling charges against the Aam Aadmi Party for working in hands with the tanker mafia. The BJP says that the water scarcity problem here in the national capital is not there because the water is being provided by the state of Haryana. See, at this particular time, the BJP says that the Aam Aadmi Party has been working with the tanker mafia, and that is the reason why the water is not reaching to the people of the national capital. In the pictures, we are clearly seeing that very long queues for the tankers. People have to face on one hand the severe heat condition that is prevailing in the national capital, and on the other hand they also have to fight to get some drinking water. See, the water which is being reaching at the residents here of the national capital, the water is not of drinking quality. The quality of the water is extremely poor, and also the tanker which is reaching to the localities to provide drinking water has not been reaching on time. There is no proper schedule of the tankers that at this particular time the tanker would be reaching. The people have been struggling to get even proper drinking water at this particular time. But we are seeing that the Aam Aadmi Party have been blaming the Haryana government and the Himachal government for not releasing water. Meanwhile, the entire focus has been shifted to the legal battle which is going on, and all eyes will be on the Upper Yamuna board who is likely to take some key important decisions regarding the entire water crisis saga that is going on.